Hi everyone. Today I would like to implement a code of reversing a list, which is one of the application of Stack. So now I would like to write a program with the help of hash include less than stdio.h. Now in this program, the capacity of stack is very important. I would like to declare the value is a constant. So before main method, I would like to declare the constant value with the help of one function hash define. So whatever the name I'm using, the name of the constant value according to convention rule, it should be there in caps. So max should be caps. So now my capacity of the size is 5. So now it means throughout the program, wherever I'm using max, the max is simply replaced by the value of 5. It is a constant value. Now I would like to write the main method with return type int main. So then I would like to declare some variables. Now for loop int I am considered array. So the size of an array purely depending upon the size. So capacity here max. So in this program, wherever I'm using a max, the max is simply replaced by 5. Now I'm considered stack. So the stack capacity also be there in max, simply replaced by 5. Now it needs in stack operation. I already told you in order to insert any element in stack, in order to remove any element from the stack, both are performed on same end. That end is called as a top. So initially it is considered as -1. -1 is nothing but none. So I would like to declare the variables. Then I would like to enter the array elements at the time of runtime. So by using scanf in for loop. Now I would like to declare some messages here. Enter array elements. So I'm using backspace in here. So then I'm using for loop for. So I is equal to 0, I less than max. So capacity 5. Okay, then I plus plus. Then I would like to enter the values by using input console with the help of scanf. So I would like to enter the values. Those are integer type. So I need uh, specifier, that is percentage d. So and at the ampersand. So array is there a of I. Now in this operation, I would like to enter the elements. Now at that, by using input console, all the elements are stored into array, index from 0 to max -1. So at the same time, I would like to push all the values from this array into stack. We don't need to move on another loop. The same loop, I would like to perform same operation in order to uh, reduce the memory size. So I would like to consider same operation. That operation is I'm considered stack. Now I would like to perform top is already -1. I would like to perform pre-increment of top by +1 is equal to whatever the array list is there. The list of elements are pushed into stack. Here I would like to perform push operation here, the same loop. So it means whatever the number in this loop, I'm using input console to enter the list of elements into array. At the same time, whatever the elements are there in array, those elements are pushing into stack by incrementing the top. So without using another loop. So the second one is I'm considered the one more is in order to reversing a list. So by using same repetition for I is equal to 0, I less than max, I plus plus. Now I would like to reversing values from a stack to array by decrementing the top. So stack. So here I'm using a decrement, post decrement here, post decrement because that the value pop from max -1. So post decrement top minus minus is equal to into error e of I. Now I would like to push all the value, pop all the values from stack to array. Now this operation is called as a pop operation. Okay. Then I would like to display the values. Now, before that, I would like to display some statement. Display reverse list. So I'm using backspace, and because I'm like to move on next line. Here, how to print reversing list. So all the elements are there in array. So initially we are considered elements are in array. Then finally we try to display the values from the reverse is also be from array. Before that, I would like to perform push into a stack, pop from stack. Okay. Now I would like to display the answer with the help of for loop. For I is equal to 0, I I less than max, I plus plus. Now in this scenario, I would like to display the values printf percentage d. I would like to, I need some space in between the values. So here, comma. Then I would like to display the values from array one after another from index 0 to last. So close the bracket. So return type, return 0, then close the main bracket. So this is a program which is related to reversing the list. The point is very simple. So the capacity of maximum value or array is considered as constant. So I would like to declare that value by using declaration of a constant before main method. Then I would like to consider one loop which is helpful to us to enter the values into array. In the same loop, whatever the number we are entered in array, the values are pushing into stack by incrementing a top, because initially top is -1 or empty. Then I'm consider one more loop to pop all the values from stack to array by decrementing a top. Then after, I would like to display the values from array. So this is called as reversing the list. Now I would like to save the program here. I would like to save the program by name rev.c. I'm consider rev.c. Now I would like now I would like to open Turbo C here. I'm using to execute this program by using Turbo C. Now I would like to call rev.c. So now our program is there here. Now in this program, I would like to save the program by using F2. So I would like to compile the program by using Alt F9. Some error is there here. Okay. So my mistake. So return 0. Instead of 0, I'm pushing on O. Okay. So one more time, Alt F9, no more errors. So I would like to run the program by using Control F9. So now we are getting an IDE screen, enter array elements. Now I would like to enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the elements I'm entered with the help of keyboard console. So now I would like to enter at the same time, these elements are pushed into stack. Then the elements are pop from stack to array. Then we try to display the value with the help of Alt F1. So finally, sorry here, some more mistake is there. Yeah, I would like to assign the values array from stack. So I would like to, yeah, I would like to pop all the values from stack to array. So I did a mistake. Okay, sorry for that. Now Alt F9. So I'm using, oh yeah, I'm using bracket Alt F9, Control F9. So enter array elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we are getting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is so program which related to so reversing the list. I hope you understood. Thank you. Thank you, Ananda.